BigManToys Custom Keshi Unboxing. BigManToys is the Primo Jumbo Lee. He's an English bloke and a professional wrestler, making some really cool boss stuff all the way in Tokyo, Japan. BigManToys Keshi. Great packaging. First, you got these little tiny guys. This is the Death Adder. Oh! Golden Axe fame. Look at those horns. Got the axe in his hand. I don't think that's the titular Golden Axe. I think that's double-bladed. I'm not sure. Death Adder is usually a snake, but is the main villain in the Golden Axe series of video games. His body is sometimes made of snakes, and his consistent refusal to be killed has led the world to believe he's a more evil spirit than man. Got some He-Man vibes going on here. Jacked that helmet design from Boba Fett. Awesome. And next is Pumpkinhead. Some really great details on this. It's from an 80s horror movie franchise. Not much about Pumpkinhead. Kind of weird. But a great little guy. And here we have ABOBO. ABOBO is a big, massive bro. ABOBO is a muscle-bound bro, probably taking a cocktail of steroids and tests every few hours. Kind of looks like Brendan Schaub, but to be fair, ABOBO probably has a real personality. Most infamous villain from the Double Dragon video game franchise. Usually serving as the main boss in the first early levels, and then a sub-boss with some recolored layer on. Mohawk and mustache. And now, Sunshine. This is Sunshine Hills. Ooh! I want to call him Sunshine Escher because of all the stairs in there. Look at that. It's great detail. Hey, buddy. Beautiful. This is a little present from the homie, BigManToys. This is Sunshine Exploded, whatever. Awesome. Still got the blocks all over him. Oof. And finally, Keshi I. Sunshine. Got Kanikaman behind a cage in there. I like how his back makes this little almost skirt back here. Beautiful. Great details, like always. Check out BigManToys.BigCartel.com and say what's up to my homie Johnny. Buy some cool stuff.